ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ equation of tangent and normal, and hopefully we are solving all the problems which are present in the exercise. And now these two will be the next problems, and in this session let me give you some special type of problems that are most important for you people in the examinations. Look at the first problem. I want to show that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. First problem. I'll read the problem once again. I want to show that the tangents to the curve ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಅವೆರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. And just remember, I will give you one clue here, right? If the tangents are parallel, remember, then the slopes of those two lines should be equal. The slopes equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It is sufficient to show that those slopes are equal. Okay, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2 ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಅವೆರಡು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು? I want to show that their slopes are equal. Means to say, now what is given dy by dx? So let the given equation is y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. Differentiate this equation. Dy by dx is equal to 7 into, what is x cube differentiation? 3x square plus differentiation of 11 is 0. So truly dy by dx should be equal to 21x square. Okay. Now at x is equal to 2 plus 2, 1 point component. So dy by dx is also equal to m1 anta correct. Slope of the first line anta correct. And of course that should be equal to 21 into 2 square. 21 into 2 square. So m1 should be equal to 21 into 4. So this should be equal to 84. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Shall I find m2? At x is equal to minus 2. Let me do it. At x is equal to minus 2. So what is your dy by dx? This should be equal to slope of second tangent. Slope of second tangent. This is also equal to 21 into x square is minus 2 whole square. So which is also equal to 21 into plus 4. Minus 2 whole square plus 4. Multiply and simplify. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84. Look at these two values now. It is very clear that slopes are equal. Slopes of both the tangents are equal. So definitely the tangents are parallel. So therefore the tangents at x is equal to 2 and minus 2. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ at 2 and minus 2 are parallel. That's all. Very simple problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? So I want to show that the tangents are parallel, means to say it is sufficient to show that their slopes are equal. Shall I look at another problem? Another problem check ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now look at this problem. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, I'll read the problem. Carefully observe ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. I want to find the points to the curve. Points to the curve y is equal to x cube, at which the slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Y coordinate of the point. So point of tangency calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. Okay. Now what is the given equation? So your given equation is y is equal to x cube. Differentiate that equation. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Right enough? At the point x1 comma y1, your dy by dx should be is equal to 3x1 square agirate. Equation 1 anta. Okay, now, what is the given thing? Find the points on the curve at which the slope of the tangent, that should be is equal to y coordinate of the point. Therefore, slope of the curve is equal to y1 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. y1 anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate ಅಂದ್ರೆ slope of the tangent is equal to y1. It is very clear from equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, I can easily conclude that ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 3x1 square is equal to y1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ y1 is equal to 3x1 square. Got it? But the point x1 y1 passes through ಯಾವ equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ equation y is equal to x cube. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? I can substitute x1 y1 in the equation. This should be clearly is equal to y1 is equal to x1 cube ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Call this as equation 3 and this will be equation 4. From 3 and 4, how can I conclude this? ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ LHS ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, RHS ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3x1 square is equal to x1 cube ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Simplify to get x1. Is it clear? 3x1 square minus x1 cube should be is equal to 0. Correct enough? ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು? I can get x1 square as a common factor. x1 square ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 minus x1 should be is equal to 0. x1 square ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 3 minus x1 is equal to 0. This implies your x1 square should be is equal to 0 or 3 minus x1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x1 is equal to 0 or x1 is equal to 3. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ correct? Now at this point I want to calculate the values of y1. At x1 is equal to 0. What is the value of y1? From this equation, y1 is equal to 0 cube should be is equal to 0. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 0, 0. This is the first point. I want to calculate the second point also. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. At x1 is equal to 3. What is the value of y1? y1 is equal to 3 cube. Correct? This should be is equal to 27. So the next point of contact of the tangency is 3, 27. So these two are the points at which the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube is equal to y coordinate of the point ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So simple problem. ಎರಡು ಸಹ ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. Just go through these two problems and let me check up few more problems in this session. Alright? Let us this first. Okay, right. Let me to look at one more problem. I will read the problem. Problem one, check my first. I want for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5. I should find all the points at which the tangent passes through origin. Got it? Now, let me find the equation now. Given curve, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ equation ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power of 5. Differentiate this equation now. Therefore, the value of dy by dx should be equal to 12x square minus 2 5 is 10x to the power of 4. Got it? So, at x1 comma y1, so what should be the slope now? Slope of tangent dy by dx should be equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power of 4. Got it? Now let me look at those things now. This is the slope of tangent. What are the conditions? The tangent passes through the origin. Tangent passes through the origin. I will use that condition to find the values of x1, y1. I want to find all the points which will satisfy such that the tangent will pass us through the origin. Okay? Now light. Okay, right? So slope of the tangent is 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power of 4. Therefore, so what is your equation of tangent? Is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 y1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. But remember, the tangent passes through your point of 0, 0, point of tangency 0, 0. Therefore, y minus 0 is equal to m. M is 12x1 square minus 10x1 to the power of 4 into x minus x1, x minus 0. Simplify this. Y is equal to 12x1 square into x1. 12x1 square into x1, 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power of 5. Minus 10x1 to the power of 5. Equation 2 on that. But I have equation 1, right? But what is y? But, of course, this is y1. But y1 is also equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power of 5. Equation 2. Can you compare those two now? Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, now I can easily compare those two. 12x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power of 5 equals 4x1 cube minus 2x1 to the power of 5. Write that to lectures and simplify. 12x1 cube minus 4x1 cube minus 10x1 to the power of 5 plus 2x1 to the power of 5 should be equal to 0. 12x1 cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 4x1 cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8x1 cube ಇರ್ತದೆ. Minus 10 plus minus 10 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 8x1 to the power of 5 is also equal to 0. So if I write 8x1 cube as a common factor, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 1 minus 8x1 to the cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ x1 square is equal to 0. Therefore, 8x1 cube is equal to 0. This implies x1 is equal to 0 is the first point. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ? 1 minus x1 square is equal to 0. x1 square is equal to 1. Therefore, x1 is equal to plus or minus 1. So, x1 ಗೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. 0, plus 1 and minus 1. Okay? Now, shall I find the value of y1? At x1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of y1? y1 is equal to y1 is equal to 4 into 0 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So the first point x1 comma y1 should be is equal to 0 comma 0. 1 point. Correct ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ? At x1 is equal to plus 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ y1? So your value of y1 is equal to 4 into 1 cube is 4. 2 into 1 to the power of 5 under 2. 4 minus 2 under 2. So the second point should be is equal to 1 comma 2. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. At x1 is equal to minus 1. At x1 is equal to minus 1. Let me find the value of y1. So y1 should be is equal to 4 into minus 1 whole cube under minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of 5 is also minus 1. So y1 should be is equal to minus 4 plus 2 should be is equal to minus 2. So ಮೂರನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. So the points are ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮೊದಲನೇದು 0 comma 0, ಎರಡನೇದು 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2. Got it? Right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? And this is how we can solve the problems to find the point of tangency. For the curve, the tangent passes through origin. Got it? So work out these things and we shall continue the problems in the next class. Right?